ke koni koni lua I ka pu'uwai e ha aloha wau ya oi ku'uho o heno heno a pa'a I ka ua noi I le ohu no he poku.
Aloha everybody, it's Tracie. My first Kickstarter was a huge success due to all of you. This is my second Kickstarter campaign where I'm raising funds for my second album, which includes some cool cover songs and a couple of my brand new originals. This is your opportunity to see your favorite song be a part of this campaign.
No he poko e ko e me oe ole e ho'opu me hana mauia oe e pili ipo ipo no e ho'o nipo nipo.
So here's how it works. Just imagine your favorite song translated and sung in Hawaiian by me, yours truly. Well, when you think of Hawaii, what do you think of? The warm sun, the tropical breeze, the big surf? Check the rewards package and see how you can get on board and join with this campaign. Mahalo! Ahui ho!
So